This is question number 29 and it says the table shows the number of Jamaican dollars which exchanged for 1 unit of other currencies in June and July 2001. What might be concluded from the table? So the way we do this question is first we understand how to read this table. So here 1 US dollar is equal to 45.78 Jamaican dollars, and the value then in July changes from 45.78 to like 45.77. So in other words, $1 which was previously was for 45.78 is now 45.77, which means the value of dollar has from 78 gone to 77. So dollar value has gone down, which automatically would mean if dollar has depreciated against the Jamaican currency, so Jamaican dollar must be going up in value. Okay. Similarly, UK pound was £1 was equal to 63.86 Jamaican dollars. Now it's 64.37. So in other words, pound has gained value from 63.86 to 64.37 Jamaican dollars. So pound has appreciated, which means Jamaican dollar has depreciated. Guyana's currency has remained unchanged because it's a value 0.25 versus 0.25, while Barbados dollar, which was previously was for 23.19, is now 23.12, which means the Barbados dollar has lost value. So let's call this B as lost value, and which would mean automatically Jamaican dollar has gained value. Okay, now what can be concluded? So let's see which statement would be right. There was an increased demand for US dollars by the Jamaicans. If there's an increased demand for US dollars, so if I make demand and supply for dollar, if the demand for the currency go up, then the exchange rate should go up. But here the dollar is becoming weaker, so this can't be true. B says there's an increased supply of the UK pound to Jamaican dollar. So if there's an increased supply, my diagram would look like this. This is the demand and supply for pounds. So supply curve will shift to the right, which means supply curve shift to the right, the exchange rate should fall. So again, there was an increased supply of UK pounds may not be the right answer, because here what we can see is that pound is not losing value, pound is gaining value. So both of these are wrong. C is also wrong because the value is unchanged. When you reduce supply of Guyana's dollar, which means the exchange rate should go up. So but here the value is unchanged. D is the right answer, which says there was a reduced demand for Barbados dollar. If there's a reduced demand, let's draw the diagram for Barbados dollar. So demand curve will shift backward, and that would result in the exchange rate to go down. And that's exactly what is happening in D.